Having trouble producing fruit? Don't rush to buy expensive fertilizer. In this video, I'll share how to turn rotting watermelon into a liquid organic fertilizer that's easy to make at home. With simple ingredients and a simple process, this organic fertilizer can help enrich the soil and support healthier plant growth. Never throw away rotten watermelon rinds. They can be processed into organic liquid fertilizer juice. Rotten watermelon rinds can still be used as an organic liquid fertilizer for plants. This ingredient is easy to find, environmentally friendly, and can help add organic matter to the soil. How to make? Prepare a sufficient amount of rotten watermelon rinds. Cut them into small pieces and blend them until they form a juice. Add 3 to 5 liters of water. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for 2 hours. Benefits of organic liquid fertilizer from rotten watermelon rinds: helps add organic matter to the soil, supports stronger root growth, helps increase soil microbial activity, maintains soil moisture and fertility, supports the growth of new leaves and shoots, utilizes household organic waste to prevent it from going to waste, environmentally friendly and easy to make at home, can be used on various types of vegetables, fruits, and ornamental plants. With regular use and proper care, plants will grow healthier, lusher, and more productive. After soaking or mashing the rotten watermelon rinds into juice, strain the solution using a fine cloth or sieve to separate the pulp from the fertilizer liquid. Benefits of straining: easier for watering or spraying, prevents clogging of the spray nozzle, makes liquid fertilizer more evenly distributed, reduces the risk of pulp contaminating the storage container. Applying watermelon rind organic liquid fertilizer to chili plants: dilute 1 cup of watermelon rind liquid fertilizer with 1 liter of clean water. Sprinkle 200 to 300 milliliters of the solution around the roots of each chili plant. Apply in the morning or evening for optimal nutrient absorption. Apply once every 7 to 10 days as a supplemental fertilizer. Benefits for chili plants: helps maintain soil fertility, supports root and stem growth, supports the growth of new leaves and shoots, supports healthy and productive plants. Before application, remove weeds and yellowing leaves to ensure the plants can better utilize the nutrients. After applying this fertilizer, plants can grow healthier and support the formation of new flowers if they receive sufficient nutrients, air, and sunlight. Organic liquid fertilizer from watermelon rinds helps add organic matter and support soil fertility, providing plants with better conditions for growth and flowering. Watermelon rind organic liquid fertilizer dosage and frequency: root watering dosage: 100 to 200 milliliters of liquid fertilizer. Mix with 1 liter of clean water. Irrigate 200 to 300 milliliters of the solution per plant. Foil spraying dosage: 50 to 100 milliliters of liquid fertilizer. Mix with 1 liter of water spray sufficiently to moisten the leaves. Application frequency: once every 7 to 10 days for routine maintenance. During the active growth phase, it can be applied once every 7 days. Best application time: morning before 9 a.m. Sick days after 4 p.m. With regular use and the correct dosage, plants will grow healthier, more fertile, and support flower and fruit formation. Apply this fertilizer to help your plants bear fruit quickly. This organic fertilizer helps enrich the soil, strengthens roots, and supports flower and fruit growth. This fertilizer is readily available and free. Apply regularly according to the recommended dosage for optimal results. With proper care, plants will grow healthily, thriving, and produce fruit more quickly. Ash from burning wood or organic waste can be used as a liquid organic fertilizer because it contains potassium and several minerals that are beneficial for plants. How to make liquid organic fertilizer from ash ingredients. 1 cup ash from burning wood or organic waste, 7 liters of water. How to make. Put the ash in a bucket. Add 5 liters of water, stir until thoroughly mixed. Let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Then, mix 2 cups of papaya leaf soaking water into the filtered ash solution. Stir until thoroughly combined, then let it sit in a shady place for 6 to 12 hours before use. After letting it sit for a few hours, stir the solution until it's thoroughly mixed. Ensure all ingredients are well combined to ensure the nutrients are evenly distributed. Afterward, the liquid organic fertilizer is ready to be used on plants according to the recommended dosage. Before applying liquid organic fertilizer, you must remove any yellowing, dry leaves, or leaves affected by pests or diseases. This will allow the plant to absorb nutrients optimally and promote healthier, more vigorous growth. After removing the yellowing leaves, apply the fertilizer in the morning or evening for optimal results. How to apply liquid organic fertilizer from ash and soaked papaya leaves. Watering the soil. Spray the fertilizer solution around the plant's roots. Avoid watering directly on the main stem. Foliar spraying. Strain the solution until it is completely clean. Spray evenly onto the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Dosage. Mix 100 to 200 milliliters of liquid organic fertilizer into 1 liter of water. For vegetable plants, use approximately 200 to 300 milliliters of solution per plant. Best application time: morning before 9 a.m. Sick days after 4 p.m. Frequency of application: once or twice a week to maintain healthy, fertile, and productive plant growth. After regular application and proper care, within a few weeks, the plants will show improved growth. Within a few weeks, leaves will become greener, stems will become stronger, leaves will become greener, plants that have entered the generative phase, stronger, flowering plants that have entered the generative phase. Flowering and fruiting results will be more also influenced by plant type. Fruiting conditions are also influenced by plant type, soil conditions. Continue watering and fertilizing regularly for maximum results. Continue watering and fertilizing. Thank you for watching my maximum results. I hope your plants thrive and produce abundant fruit. I hope your plants thrive and produce abundant fruit.